How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset Fivem files. So it's extremely simple to do this. First things first, look for your Fivem icon. You can also search for it on your search or start menu. Click on the run or open file location, and then do the same thing, which is to right click on it. Click on the open file location once more, and then navigate through the Fivem application data. This is where we can see datas on our Fivem. And from here, you want to click on data, and then there will be three folders that you want to delete. There's going to be the cache priv, server cache, and the cache itself. You want to delete those three folders, and basically from there, after opening up Fivem, it will then create those deleted folders, basically resetting it to default. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.